1, 2, 3, 4. 20 years, the number of years we've had this celebration. 20 days of food and wine, paddocks, laneways, fresh crustaceans. Plethora of the world's best are coming in, so let's get chefy. 500 metres of lunch, it's long enough to feed a yeti. Hit the river, it's beginning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 20. Melbourne Food and Wine Festival is turning 20. Don't miss it.